let's make satay sauce. I put up a video recently making satay sauce and it's gotten like well over 100,000 views. Absolutely shook. I don't know if it's because in the video I was like, I was in a cult. It's called Slimming World. That's still a joke. Anywho, I like comparing things, okay? So I'm gonna make the satay sauce that I made in the video the last day in this saucepan. But in this saucepan, I'm gonna be substituting the can of Coke Zero for coconut milk. A few people commented and said if you wanna make it nicer and richer and creamier, coconut milk. Saucepan number 1, we're doing a can of Coke Zero. I've never done this before. Is it supposed to look like that? Is that a joke? It's thick. Oh, wait. Oh, it's in date. I'm gonna give this a stir. Okay, in each one we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Also, it's soy sauce. It's the way I say it. It sounds like I'm saying soya sauce. Soy sauce. We're going to do 3 to 4 little drops of wash your sister sauce. I can't pronounce it, get over it. In each one. 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in each one. I do 2 in each. To up the protein in this, you can use like the protein peanut butter. We're going to do 1 to 2. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using the McDonald's curry powder. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You do as much as you want. I do like mine a bit spicy. 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and some salt to taste. And then we put it onto the hob. The problem here now is that I only have 1 whisk. I'm gonna keep stirring both of them under a medium to high heat. Not gonna lie, the coconut one there looks so fucking nice. Okay, so here is the coconut one. This is the one that with Diet Coke, splattering it and everything on the wall. I'm frying up my chicken in sesame oil. Game changer. I'm not the biggest meat eater, but there's around 320 grams of chicken in there. I'm trying to up my protein, so I'm actually just trying to gain a little bit of weight. Do you know the way some people, if they're stressed or emotional about something, do you know something like that? A lot of people will turn to food as a comfort, whereas me, I cannot eat. So I've had probably like 2 years of being stressed off my head. So I'm actually just trying to get to like a healthy weight. Rice is still taking its feckin' time. I need to try some of the coconut one. That's fucking good. It's definitely like a lot creamier. Well, I just do 2 little plates and do like bite size in each. Or have this with whatever veg you want. I don't want any. Okay, this is the coconut. This one here, the blue one, is the Coke Zero. I obviously know already what the Coke Zero one tastes like, but like, I love that. I love that one. Right, this is the one with coconut. That one's really good as well. This one seems a lot spicier. I think it's because this is the coconut milk. The milk and the cream kind of like calms it down because it's creamier. Both of them are unreal. I think though, I do prefer the Coke Zero one. I don't know if it's maybe because I love my spice, but I'd have absolutely no bother eating the coconut one as well. Like I've a good bit of it there and I'll eat that over the next few days. Actually, I think Hazel would prefer this one. You can wave there, wave, but don't put it in your head. All right, there you go. All right, try it. Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Do you want some of it for dinner? The brown thing?
Yeah, can I try it too?
Oh, you want to try this one? A bit spicier. Here, try this one.
It's good.
It's good. Which one do you prefer? That one or this one? You prefer that one as well, the Coke Zero one?
It's a bit hot for me.
It's a little bit hot. So do you want this one so? Because that one isn't hot.
No, I want that one.
You want the one that is hot?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. And there we go. Yes, it looks questionable. I don't give a fuck. I've decided to have the Coke Zero one. Cheers. Let me know if you try them. Let me know which one you prefer. Both of them honestly are unreal. I just prefer the Coke Zero one because there is that little bit of a kick. Thank you and bye bye.